Okay, morning everybody. I survived the night. No bear attacks, my snoring.
All right, Operation Catch a Fish is officially on. No rod, no net, just me, these claws.
All right, breakfast time, and yes, I caught this fish myself. Took a little splashing, a lot of luck, and maybe a full-on bear stance.
But here we are. Look at that sizzle, man. Smells like victory and protein. Crispy skin, soft in the middle.
All right, this is why I do it.
Fresh air, no notifications, coffee hotter than my last relationship, and a view that doesn't need a filter.
If this isn't peace, I don't know what is. You ever just sit still and let nature talk? It's louder than you think.
All right, I'm gonna sip this, stare into the trees, and pretend I don't have to hike back later.